In this video, I will show how to buy shares of Stoneridge Inc. Stoneridge is an automotive, electrical, and electronic component supplier listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SRI, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker SRI to find the company. Select the matching Stoneridge Inc. stock from the results to open its page. On the stock page, check the basic company information and the price chart to confirm you have Stoneridge Inc. Make sure the ticker SRI and the company details match before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued for the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it can confirm the trade. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Soft reminder, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow these steps.